If you want to remove a payment method from your Hopper account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option in the app. Look for Account or Settings to find your account management options. Step 3. Access Payment Methods. Within the account settings, locate the section labeled Payment Methods or Payment Information. This is where you can view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method. Identify the payment method you wish to remove. Tap on it to open the details and options related to that payment method. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Look for an option to remove or delete the payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure it is successfully removed from your account. Once you have completed these steps, your payment method will be removed from Hopper. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Hopper's customer support for assistance.